Hey everyone, this is Patrick from UsdJpy Code Trading System, and this is Saturday, the 17th of October 2020, and this is the weekly analysis for spot gold and dollar yen for the third week of October. And let's kick off with spot gold, where after attempting to break out higher, it pulled back lower and retrace back to the weekly S1 pivot and settle around the 1900 level for the week. It's just this upper trend line here, and this downtrend line is cut across these highs here. It is potentially consolidating in a triangle. Let's zoom out a bit and there is potentially a support line right across here, and it's getting right into the apex of the triangle here. Right, so next week we could see a breakout as resistance at the 1920 level, where that's where the previous highs from 2011 was. And if it breaks down, there still needs to break below the 62 fib level and then towards the recent swing low at the 1850. So there is some resistance up here, and then if it does break out higher, then it's going to target the 1950 level. Otherwise, then it's coming down to 1850. So centered around the 1900, 500 pips up, 500 pips down. And that will depend on what the US dollar does for next week. Let's take a quick look at the US dollar index. This is the daily chart, and we've reviewed this in the other videos on major pairs, and it attempted to recover from the previous week's drop, found support at the 21 fib retracement of this fall, and then was blocked at the daily 55 EMA. So there is support and resistance up here, so we'll see if it's able to break out higher, but then there is a key resistance level before it even gets to the 50 fib retracement again. And if it does break down lower, then this could be a key signal of further weakness for the US dollar. Let's zoom out a bit, and this was the previous low from the year, and that's where it was blocked. And if we just try to retest this, and there could be a significant rejection here if it does climb back up. This could mean a key double top level if it does fail and gets rejected. All right, let's move back to spot gold. So this will be a critical area to watch out for next week, and we'll see what the key drivers are for the US dollar. There's only one set of news from the US with the flash manufacturing and services PMI on Friday, right at the end of the week. And also it could be volatility due to upcoming US elections in just over 2 weeks time. So that could also create additional volatility. Let's take a look at the dollar yen. And after attempting to break out higher above 106, it has fallen all the way back to just above the 105. So that's a interim support level here. It's attempting to retrace and climb back up, but we'll see whether the daily 55 is going to be an interim resistance again, and if it does fall lower, then there is support around this 104.50 zone. I'll say around this 50 zone here. So that's a critical support level. We can also extend the fib to this recent low. And where it has retraced back up to the 50 fib retracement, and then attempted to fall below the swing low previously, just spiked below it and has climbed back up and settled around the I would say the 21.4 retracement of this move. All right. Oops. It's down here at the 105.40 level. So we'll see if how the US dollar drives the major pairs and the market next week. Also, it's only the flash manufacturing and services PMIs for next Friday. Is potentially a consolidation in a bullish channel, but we'll see how it develops and whether it's able to climb back up to the 106 or whether it's going to drop further below. All right. So meanwhile, do check out my other videos on the other major pairs, and have a safe week, have a good trading week, and cheers for now.